Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss, can you become a millionaire by investing $100 in Optimus token today? So let's start the video. So how much money you make by investing $100 in Optimus token? It is a decentralized token. It has its own NFT collections, games, swap, op stake, op labs. As it got huge hype, community looks strong, there is a high chance to list in some of the exchanges. So how much money you can make by $100 invest in this coin? Calculation based on current market supply. If supply change in future, then calculation may change. And information is taken from CoinMarketCap. If we comes to its total supply, and current supply was 1 billion. Trading with 0.3050. Holder account almost 2.7k. Current market cap is 580k. Current average market cap of top meme coin is 6 to 10 billion. Can Optimus make you a millionaire by investing $100 today? If Optimus eats 10, it will be 0.2050 and its market cap will be 5 million, and your $100 investment turns into $1,000. If Optimus eats 2 zeros, it will be 0.1050 and its market cap will be 50 million, and your $100 investment turns into $10,000. If Optimus eats 3 zeros, it will be 0.50 and its market cap will be 500 million, and your $100 investment turns into 100,000. If Optimus trade with $1 and its market cap will be 1 billion, and your $100 investment turns into 200,000. If Optimus trade with $10 and its market cap will be 10 billion, and your $100 investment turns into 2 million. If Optimus trade with $50 and its market cap will be 50 billion, and your $100 investment turns into 10 million. Which is impossible for Optimus to trade with $50. But eating 3 zeros is easy for Optimus by listing in some exchanges. For trading with $10 at current situation, it must burn huge supply, which is 99.5%, which is 1.9 billion from its current supply, which is somewhat hard to be possible, but it will be possible when they introduce auto burn mechanism. As to reduce supply from 1 billion to 5.8 million is a big problem, so this will not happen by manual burns. There is to introduce auto burn mechanism, buyback, big huge burns, and also by listing in tier 1 exchange. So if we come to the conclusion, that can Optimus token make you a millionaire? Yes guys, it can easily make you, but if luck favors them, and things go good, then Optimus can reach $50, as everything is not in our hands, so let's hope the best. So, let me know in the comment section that how much do you expect the Optimus token price will increase in next 5 years?